Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today in this episode of 5-Minute Java, I will be going over the scanner class. And just quickly before the video starts, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to the channel for more of these 5-minute Java videos and just more Java videos in general and programming videos. So the first thing you need to do is import the java.util.scanner class, which is what you'll use to actually create the scanner. And now in your main method, you can create the scanner. So scanner test equals new scanner, and as a parameter you want to say system.in because we're using it for user input. And now what you can do is you can print out the prompt to the user that you want. So I'll say please enter your name and semicolon, and now you want to actually store your input in a variable. So you can say string input, or I'll just say string name equals scanner test dot next line, and I actually put an extra n, so like that. And so we go scanner test dot next line, and now we can print out what we just got. So we can say nice to meet you, and then plus name, just so we can make sure it worked. So now I will run the program, and you can see it's saying enter your name. So you can say Simplech, and then it says nice to meet you, Simplech. So it took our input and then it stored that in the variable right here. You can also do this with integers or booleans or anything else. So this won't make much sense, but I'll just change the types and change this to scanner.nextInt, and then I run it and I type in the number 0, and it says nice to meet you 0. I mean, of course the string doesn't make sense anymore, but it should make sense what I'm doing. I'm taking an integer and using this next int. Now if I wanted to maybe do a boolean, say next boolean, and make this a boolean type, then I can run it. And a boolean is just true or false. So if I tried to enter like a number, it would not work. So I have to actually enter in what it wants me to enter in. So I can say false, and that's a boolean. Or I could do double and change this to next double and run it again. You can say 0.00, and that also works because it's a double. So yeah, those are just a few examples of using the scanner. Once you have the input in the variable, you can basically do whatever you want, and you can also do it a second time. So I'll change this back to string just so it actually makes sense, and next line. And if you want to get another set of input, you would have to create a new scanner. So scanner2 equals new scanner system.in, and then we can say system.out.println, which is a prompt. So print out the prompt and say please enter your favorite number, just so we get an integer input. And then int fav int equals scanner2 dot next int. And it's important to use separate scanners if you're gonna take another input. And then system.out.println, say cool, I like that number 2, and you can just say in parentheses what the number is, plus fav int plus close parentheses. It's not a very realistic situation, but just for the purpose of an example, you first have the string name, so, and then you have your favorite number. I'll say 1, then cool, I like that number 2, and it says the number 1 in parentheses. So again, the whole encounter doesn't make the most sense, but at least you can learn how to actually use the scanner, and that's the most important thing. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more 5-minute Java videos and other programming content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.